Yeah, we can say,
Here.
here I come, because we are
Play.
playing hide and seek, aren't we? Okay, let's go and we'll find Sophia. I wonder where she is. Come here. Let's look behind.
Behind you.
Oh, there, behind the couch? Okay, let's go look behind the couch. Is she behind the couch? No, I don't see her either. Okay, let's go look some more and find her. I wonder where we should go next.
It's behind the Ankylosaurus.
She's behind the Ankylosaurus. Where's the Ankylosaurus at?
I know.
It's over here. Maybe, is she under?
Behind me?
Under.
Is she under the train table?
No, it's behind it. Oh,
No.
Well, she's not under it. She was not under, so we have to go look some more.
hey, let's go. It's behind it.
Is that your tail? Your dinosaur tail? Do you think that maybe she's in the box?
No, it's behind it.
You think she's behind?
No,
Behind.
it's behind
There's not that much room. Let's look in it.
behind it. Sorry?
So, Luke, whoa, we're playing hide and seek. Come here. Is she in there?
No.
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 Let's go look some more. Come on.
It's behind the other.
No, that's too little. Sophie's pretty big. All right, let's go look over here.
Okay.
Oh, do you want to put your dinosaur tail on?
Uh-huh.
You want to wear it?
On.
Okay. All right, we're going to go down for a second. There you go. You have to have your tail for hide and seek, don't we? All right, should we go look over here?
Here.
All right. Let's go look over here.
It's behind me.
Oh,
Polly?
we already looked under there.
Under.
It's behind the cat. Polly?
You are having trouble paying attention today. Here we go. Come on. You want to play with everything, don't you?
Play.
I think Sophie's going to get tired of waiting on
I
us.
want the black.
She's not going to want to
Wait.
wait on us to come anymore. All right, let's go find her.
Up.
Oh, I heard her. Did you hear her? I think that she is over here.
Go.
Let's go. You know what? We did not look. Oops.
It's not.
Behind the chair. Let's look behind the chair.
Yes.
Say, I found
Sweet.
you. Yeah.
Okay, you can hide
All right.
this time.
So that is hide and seek, as you saw us just playing. So you can talk about go, and that we are going to find. We're going to look for whoever it is that they might be over here.
Come.
I'm going to come get you.
Get.
You can also do numbers when you're counting down. So we typically count to 10. So you can count through the numbers before you get to go find that person. And then this is a great one to work on prepositions with. So we talk about if they are under something, behind something, maybe next to something, as well as if they're hiding in like a closet or in a big box or something. So this is a great activity for prepositions as well. All right, thanks for watching. Also, I use Word Power 60 Basic Vocabulary on the Touch Chat app from Sotillo during this activity to provide aided language input. All right, thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe below.